Morning, Aunty Candy.
Good morning.
You know, sir, I want me in a wonderful situation, right? So then say me can check you. But they attack some people down the road and then give me address and say me can come up and check you.
You can come inside and have a seat.
Can come inside?
Yeah, man.
You're such a kind lady. That means I chew. I don't get attacked, I chew then, man. But differently now.
Okay,
Never know. Me don't want situation on our part. Me lose my house and everything, me lose my work, everything. Them a good woman, but the good woman gone left me. And she take everything. You know what I mean? So now me not have nothing. So now them say me can check you and see if I can do something. Somebody can help me. Because they're very ambitious youth, you know. They're very ambitious, but me not get no work and go on my country, you know. But sometimes I sleep on the roadside. Me had to sleep on the beach. Right on the sand.
So you have nowhere to stay?
No, nowhere to stay because I don't want to the house.
Okay.
You understand? So me I said, if you could help.
Yes, me can help you, you know, me can get in touch with some people from overseas where send money come for me help some other people on help already. All me have to do is tell them the situation, tell them your name and so, and me go video you, me then see you, and you explain yourself, tell them your problem, and then we send the money to me and then we give it to you. Let's try and make one go if I want to go one month.
When? How that do it?
Me going to get in touch with the people then first. And talk to them about you.
So what you want to know about me now?
No, you just tell me.
Why you know about me now?
You just tell me say you don't have nowhere to live and your woman take away everything and go and say you're homeless. So me have to go talk to them about it and then try and get some donation or some people who can sponsor or whatever. Anything at all they can help you with, me get it and then me give you. When me don't give you it, me just video and make sure say them say you get it for sure.
So when you go start that?
Me go talk to them later.
You have money for buy one bulla on water. Come here to like sweet stuff.
Alright. So you're hungry and you eat from morning?
No eat from morning.
Alright.
Okay. Fast enough for business up. Look at me your phone. Let's go. Alright. So me answer now. Yeah, you really can help you?
Yes, we can. Of course, we help other people so we can help you.
Yo, from get up this
If
morning.
you need any help.
From get up this morning, me just know there's something out there for me. Thank you. But when we start though?
You know, so we can video you right now so the people them can see you on live.
We ready right now.
Jamie, pass the phone they give me. Thanks. Alright. So.
We ready.
So you're going to talk about what happened to you and what you need. So they can know what to send so I can give it to you, right?
So we say tell me name first.
Yeah, what's her name?
My name is Kevon Green. Kevin Green.
Kevin Green?
Yeah.
From where?
I was born in St. Thomas, you know.
We're in St. Thomas because I have to know where exactly.
I was born in St. Thomas. I don't know where in St. Thomas because they left me at the hospital. And somebody came me home and somebody raised me and I run away because of bad treatment. And I end up in Negril. And now I'm in Negril. After that growing up was a drama. And then I met this nice lady and started life with her and everything I put in her account and I have no account because I couldn't read. So she got all of the money and she just left me in the last half and take everything because the house building a fair name and it rough.
So you don't live anywhere?
So now I live anywhere I sleep. I sleep anywhere is dry.
Oh.
And I eat whenever I see anything to eat. If there's plum on the tree, I eat plum. And if I...
So you don't have any family or anyone could help you or whatever?
No, I don't know nobody because I was left at the hospital.
And you look like you need some clothes. So I'm going to talk to the people them overseas who always send stuff.
This one I have on.
Yes.
Somebody sorry for me and give me, big up yourself. You know, it's a good youth. You know, for me a shirt
Why
and
you
I'm
don't have
in
any
shorts.
shoes?
No, because right now, you know what, sir? We did get one look work what day? If plant so now I'm garden and the lady give me the slippers. You know what I mean? So when I have my shoes, but the slippers are not too bad. I'm not really a greedy person, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not a greedy person. Me don't want much. You know what I mean?
You're in life, you know. So I
Yeah.
need you to tell
And-
exactly what you're
Mm.
going through and what you need so
Yeah.
I can.
I would like a house.
Oh, you need a house.
Yeah, I'm ambitious. Because I'm coming in my thought I front tight, it's a good.
Wait, well, I'm not going to promise you that you're going to get everything.
No, me know. But I say, if I can get
But-
a local shop then.
Whatever
Mm.
I can do for you, I will do it because I have a lot of people to help too.
Yeah, so cause me, you know, in my mind, one idea I want to help people too.
Okay.
So, me really have plans like that. We don't know how the country and how my situation work out. I always have ambition to help.
Well, like now the world see you and see that you're in need.
I'm in need.
They will try and help you.
I'm
So
in
whatever
need.
they send to me, I will make sure that I surely give it to
Yeah,
you.
then the panic said, no.
Do you have a phone number?
No, I don't have a phone number. I don't have a phone.
So where am I going to find you when like people from overseas send clothes or money or whatever food
What-
time
what-
for me to give it
Where
to
I stay most, I stay over by the beach park. Right on the Aunty
And do you have a nickname in case I have to have someone to get you?
They don't call me no nickname, they call me Kevin.
Oh, just
Yeah, that's
okay,
Kevin.
okay.
Ras Kevin.
Okay.
Yeah. So I offer them a day at the time. So we did that day, we did that night. But only time that if me food if there's a food down the road I give it, we go down there and then we'll come back one place.
These
Because
people that I'm telling you about, they always send stuff to me so I can give to people who in need.
yeah.
Right?
So
And I have to make sure that you are in need. So I'm going to come down by the seaside and look where you're sleeping. Make
Yeah.
sure that you're telling me the truth.
Yeah,
Because
I'm
some
very-
people, they come and live talk to me because they know that people always send stuff to me. So when I give it to people who in need, some people tell lie to get it, while some in need of it and they are not getting it. So make sure you are speaking the truth because I don't want the people then to send their money or whatever they are sending to give to me. So then when I give it to you, you already have it when somebody else needs it. You understand?
alright, if you don't believe me,
No, I'm not saying you're
No,
lying.
no,
I
no,
just
no,
want
no,
to
no,
make
no.
sure.
I'm saying if you don't believe me, you can come down there and sleep where I'm sleep.
No, no, I don't
Because
want to
my
sleep there.
it's free space. You know,
No,
right
no.
at the tree room.
No, man, I don't want to sleep there. I'm just coming to make sure that
No, but
don't
if you
leave
want to
anywhere.
see, you have to see. I'll be there from the night until morning light out.
Okay.
And in the day I
So
try
you
to
sleep in the Jew,
I sleep under the tree.
in the night Jew.
So the Jew
No covering,
none of
nothing.
the Jew no come for me.
Oh, I
At
understand.
the under the tree, Jaja create the tree to cover me. So it
Okay.
cover me like the
All
tree
right, I'll-
is my
They
shield.
already get your name and see your face
Yeah.
and they hear your situation.
Thank you no.
So can you just tell them thanks even though you don't
Thank,
receive
thank.
anything
Me
yet?
just for as long as they take the time to listen. Thank you no.
Yes.
Thank you no. We could have been anybody else like me said yes. So thank you no
Yeah.
to listen and do what you can do. You know what I mean? Aunty Candy is a nice lady. Me hear about her first meet her, but she give me a welcoming arms. And me thank you no. Me thank you no. Yeah? So I'm going to go back on the road. You know what I mean? You bless yourself and your family. You can Aunty Candy, God
Okay,
will bless you.
alright. Have a nice day and I will come and check out with you.
You
alright?
can buy one bula. Just give one bula. Come in from morning. Because I feel like yes, I come from my system. Buy one bula.
I'm the potty already.
Eh? No man. Nobody knows me hungry. Nobody knows me hungry candy. Nobody want
They have to know say you're hungry for two for
yeah, but me hungry. So you been everything yeah.
I want bula.
You want bula too?
No, I don't want no bula.
Ah.
They want him wouldn't be there.
Thank you, Aunty Candy. You're good somebody.
Alright then. We come and look here
Yeah.
and make sure say everything is
If you
okay
not
with
see
you or
me,
whatever.
if you not see me there, without anybody free food there, I them there.
Alright.
Alright.